Hello and welcome back to Thomas Talks, and today I'm going to be talking about and showing you guys a new bag I've picked up, so stay tuned for this video. So I've managed to get or pick up a classic Morgan's Grey kind of duffel bag, travel bag. It's a bit hard to see, but I'll put some clips overlaying at the moment. As you can see, it's a blue and white leather. It's kind of got a yacht inspired theme. The bag itself, I'm thinking it's going to be quite ideal for the gym or something like that. It's quite tall, it's about 70 centimetres in height and about 35 centimetres in width at the base. And the bottom of it, it does have 4 little feet, which is quite handy to have, so it's not really going to get too dirty if it's resting and it's fully booked, or fully filled up, sorry. Overall quality is very high. I love the supple leather. I feel if you can see the grain, it's like a really soft grained leather. It's got nice white stitching down the side there. The handles itself are just like any kind of leather handle, they're white, and again, got that yacht inspired. One thing that's a little bit hard to close is the fact it's got a toggle in the top of the bag, so you pull these strings. I know it's like leather, but still, to seal it up, and that's kind of as close as you're going to get, and it's obviously without anything in it. It's kind of floppy, so I'll put a pillow in it and show you what it looks like when it's filled up. If I open it up on the inside, you can see it's got that lovely kind of suede material. Actually reminds me of the interior of the Lexus LC. I'll put a wee clip of that up now. And on the inside, around the suede leather, we've also got a little leather pouch with the Morgan Grey's stamp, same as the front, just stitched on in there. But apart from that, there's not too much heavy detail. It's just all the same suede leather all the way through in a gorgeous brown. Almost looks like you're looking into some sort of Star Wars tunnel or something spatial. But it's got a nice contrast colour, and it's pretty deep, so you would probably lose a lot of stuff in there, but I thought if you're going to carry like your shoes and your towels and stuff, pretty handy. It does have a little zip compartment at the front, so if you open that up again, it's lined with the same brown leather in there. Obviously it's a different kind of material, but yeah, it's relatively deep, and you can probably fit your phone. So we just grab the iPhone, shove that inside, and zip that up. You've also got a little Morgan Grey stamp in the front, which is kind of stitched on, but it's really kind of discreet. But overall, it's pretty nice. You've got a over-the-shoulder kind of strap you could have if you want to wear it like that, or you can carry it like so, just depending on what you're holding. Obviously I would suggest if you're doing that, there is a chance all that stuff's going to fall out the front hole. And it's got a little Morgan Grey's tag, if you can zoom in there. This says Morgan Grey's made in California, and on the reverse, sort of handsome style, and on the reverse it says, that's what it says, made in California, and you can just put your name there if you wanted to. But all the hardware's, obviously being about 12 years older, so it's 2008, the tarnished kind of metal, but however it is also quite high quality. It does have a little clip, you can pull that in and out if you wanted to unhinge the strap. And again, you've got the same metal hardware all throughout the bag for the handles as well. But overall quite a nice piece, and as I said, it's something a little bit different. I just wanted to show you guys a slightly different bag from the usual Louis Vuitton or Gucci. Morgan Grey's is kind of a yachting inspired company, so all the products seem to be a little bit different from what you would normally see. They do satchels and almost what the Louis Vuitton would call a keep-all, I would call like a duffel bag. But yeah, this is one of their slightly different pieces. As you said, as you can see, sorry, when it's all compressed down, when there's nothing in it, it does neatly get stored away in the cupboard. But yeah, that's how soft it is, and I thought I would share this with you. And then on the inside you've got the suede leather in the tan again. It's a little bit worn just purely because I presume the previous owners had that over the shoulder, but it's not too bad in kind of wear. And if anybody's wondering, I paid £100 for the Morgan Grey's kind of duffel bag. So I just want to say thanks very much for watching Thomas Talks. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked this video on the Morgan Gray's bag, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Thomas Talks below as I'm trying to get subscriber count up. Comment below if you've got any questions, and I'll see you next video. Oh, and don't forget to check us out, or check my own Instagram out, at the Luck Scott. I'll leave that link or the tag down below. Have a great Easter. Ciao.